What is up, guys? We are gonna do another video about Koa. We're gonna talk about all the different products we got him, because he is the most spoiled dog in the world, so he's got a lot of stuff. And we thought it might be helpful for other dog owners or future dog owners when they're trying to figure out what to buy for their new puppy. And we just wanted to give you guys some updates on how he's been since the last video. First off, he's gotten a lot bigger. He's a big boy now, almost. Look at him, he weighs 15 pounds.
15 pounds today, huh? So far, potty training has gotten better. We have like one accident a day. There's been a few days where we've had no accidents, but it's getting better.
Biting has gotten a little bit better. He still bites, obviously, but I think that's just because he's a puppy. I think he'll grow out of that eventually. We got the fleas all taken care of, no more fleas. He might have worms, we don't know.
He might have worms, he keeps scooting. So he has a vet appointment on Monday and we'll see what's going on with that. Okay, so the main thing that we really invested in was his kennel, because the majority of kennels were the black wire crate kennels and we wanted something that would still fit in with our theme. So we got the EcoFlex kennel and it was pricey. This was $200, but I think it's well worth it because you can honestly use it as furniture in your home, like as a side table next to your couch or something like that. He's been biting on these bars, but hopefully he doesn't try and escape through them.
He doesn't mind being in here, which is really nice. He whines a little bit, like if we're out doing stuff in the living room or something, but other than that, it's not a fight to get him to go in there, and he sleeps in there all night.
Yes, and we have a crate bed in there. We just got a bed from Marshall's to go in there. Most of our stuff that we got is from Chewy.com, but other stuff I guess is from Petco, Marshall's, DJ Maxx. It's all a mix.
Amazon,
yes.
And then in addition to his kennel,
This was the one thing we shouldn't have purchased.
because he's the only...
He never sleeps in it, ever.
Like we talked about last time, he just sleeps in all these random places, except for in his bed.
So this is a box of Koa's necessities. It's kind of miscellaneous. He has a separate box for toys, but in here we have like shampoos, and we're gonna link all this stuff down in the description because there's like a lot. But we have shampoo and conditioner for him. We have a retractable leash. We got poop bags that are biodegradable. They're eco-friendly. We have a pooper scooper outside, but we're not showing that in the video.
Got poop all over.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. This is his harness. We are using a harness right now for the time being because he's a puppy still, and we think that using a collar would be...
He's got a weak neck.
Yes.
We don't want to hurt his little neck.
Yes, so we're using a harness. I already actually bought him a big boy collar for when he is a large dog. This is a large or an extra large collar. We also got a Christmas box from Chewy, and it had like bandana in it and some treats and stuff that we'll show you in a little bit. We haven't been able to put this on him yet because, well, we have put it on him, but he keeps chewing on it. So we're gonna try this when he gets a little bit bigger. We also purchased Santa socks. They're so cute, except we can put him on him for a little bit, but then he just starts chewing on them. So we were hoping that he was gonna walk all funky, but it didn't faze him at all. So it was anticlimactic.
You just tried eating him. We got him an electric collar. These are kind of controversial, but we're not even gonna use the shock feature.
Yeah.
We're just gonna use the beep and vibrate feature, because that seems to be enough to get his attention. So that's been really handy for walks and all that.
Next, we are still working on this. These are the bells that hang on the door so he can let us know when he goes potty. I think we introduced it too early and he kind of uses it as a form of he wants to go outside and play. So once he's more potty trained, we're gonna reintroduce it back to let us know that he has to use the restroom.
At least he knows it lets him outside, so
yes.
we got that down.
So we got 3 different brushes just because he's gonna be a shedder and we're gonna try and minimize that. This is a brush for his top coat. This one's to get knots out. And this is an undercoat rake that is supposed to get all the loose yeah, get all the loose fur underneath out. We'll start doing this outside when he gets a little bigger because he just started shedding a little bit. So we're just using the top coat and the fine tooth comb right now. And we also got a toothbrush and toothpaste. We haven't used the toothpaste yet, but we are introducing him to the toothbrush so that he can get used to it. It also comes with like a little finger brush. He's actually not bad. He'll let me sit there and do it. He kind of chews, but we're just introducing it right now so he can get used to it when he's bigger.
And now for Koa's favorite, his toy box. We got him all kinds of different types of toys, just to try to figure out what he likes and to keep him occupied so he doesn't eat our furniture, which he likes to do anyways.
So we have a few plush options. We have options that have the like wrapper sound. He loves those. We have like duck squeaker ones, and bones. And of course he loves tennis balls, which we were hoping for that because golden retrievers love tennis balls. So these are, I think the balls are his favorite so far.
All right, so this is all of his food products and whatnot. We've got him some bacon flavored dentist sticks. We haven't given him these yet. I don't know why.
Because we've been brushing his teeth and we're not trying to give him a bunch of treats yet because we want him to
appreciate them.
Appreciate his food that he has right now.
Yeah. We got him these soft bake turkey recipe. They're like little cookies almost, but they got like meat and whatnot in them for dogs.
Sit.
What else is there?
Lay down. Good boy.
And then these are his favorite. They're soft puppy bites by Wellness. All this stuff is on Chewy, I believe. And then these ones are from the Pioneer Woman. They're by Purina. They're just beef and brisket little treats. These came in the Chewy box, I believe, so we didn't get to pick these out. But we got these. Where's he at?
Okay, so this is his food and water bowl. He's too little to reach it, so we just put these on the floor for now. But it'll be nice once he's bigger so that, because he kind of pushes them as he's eating. So it'll be nice to have this when he's older. We did get a slow feeder bowl, but
he just tries to bite the plastic. Jesus.
It does not work.
Where does he keep going to?
He also doesn't eat as fast as most puppies. He's a pretty slow eater. So we actually really have no use for this right now. We also did buy him, like, these are gravy stews that you can add into dry food. We're not doing these yet until he's kind of gets sick of his food because he just loves his puppy chow right now. So we're gonna wait till he's a little bit older. Anyways, we decided to go with American Journey because they had great reviews and it's a high quality dog food, so that's what we're feeding him right now. He loves it. We have a little container for his food just so it's easier to scoop. All right, guys, so we are done.
Dude!
This was one of the hardest videos we've ever filmed because he's been so...
He just runs away after 30 seconds.
He's been so uninterested. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're getting a new puppy, we hope that you find this useful and helpful, also entertaining.
There's gonna be many more videos featuring him. We're gonna call this little series of videos the Koa Chronicles.
So watch out for more videos that we have coming featuring Koa.
Yes. Subscribe, like, comment.
Peace out, Girl Scouts. We're calling him the crow. The crow?
I don't like how I'm f***ing talking. No.
We also got him blankets. Bitches.
We can just...
Koa, just sit the f down. But I saw it and had to have it. Yikes.